1,000. We have around 6,000, 11,000. So guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of Forex and binary options. So, as always, today I'm going to show you one of the coolest strategies for the binary options market, and if you wanna know how to make millions on this market, then you need to watch this video right now. Let's check what do we have for today. As always, I'm using my two favorite indicators, moving average and stochastic oscillator. By the way, I'm investing my whole deposit in each trade. I use only short time period of just 1 minute to save our time and to enlarge my deposit as fast as possible. Now we have opened the first trade. This is sell position because, as you can see, we have touched a strong level of resistance, after which we're expecting to receive the pullback reaction, and together with this, the stochastic oscillator is telling us that we will highly likely receive the downgoing signal. And of course, we're paying attention to this and we're opening sell position. So perfectly done, guys. The first trade was profitable one. We have around $317. Now let's continue and move forward. Let's check Euro Audi, and yep, we have invested here 317 bucks. Now let's check what we will get from that. Concerning this trade, we have invested $317 because we're going according to the bullish trend from the support line zone, and here we're expecting to receive nice pullback reaction. Okay, perfectly done, guys. We have around 592 bucks. That's good. Let's continue. For now, I have $592. Our first two trades were nice. We got our profits. Now let's think about the next one. Let's change our investment to 590 bucks and check Euro CAD. So here, what do we have? First of all, we're going to open buy position from the minimum. Moreover, according to the stochastic, it's oversold. That's why we will highly likely receive the pullback reaction from that zone, long reaction. And of course, that's why we have opened buy position here, investing our 590 bucks. Perfectly done, guys. We have 1,100 bucks in the account. Now let's move forward. Let's change our investment to $1,000 and check USD BRL currency pair. So now we're going to open sell position from the resistance line zone. We're going according to the moving average line, and we have opened the sell position. Now let's check the market reaction. Okay, guys, now let's see, and yep, we got our money. We got 2,000 bucks. That's nice, that's cool. Now let's continue, and by the way, my friends, while you're watching this video, don't forget to check the description to it and use my perfect link to my private TG, because in my private TG you will get a lot of cool stuff such as daily trading signals, daily analytics and educational materials, which will help you to upgrade your knowledge in binary options and multiplier balances using my VIP channel, in which you can get access only by writing me a private message in the TG and telling me, Michael, I want to become VIP. After this, I will automatically add you to my VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions just like this, and at the scheduled time each day you will get trading signals that will help you to earn a lot of money. So do this right now and be millionaire together with me. Guys, so here we have opened sell position, investing $2,000. We have the downgoing trend. Stochastic is overbought right now, and it's telling us that we still have some capacity for the drop. That's why we have opened sell position. Fine, perfectly done, guys, perfectly done. We have this profit. We have 3,000 and around 800 bucks. Now let's think about the next trade. So my friends, here we have opened buy position, investing $3,000 because, as you can see, we're receiving the pullback reaction from the support line zone. Moreover, we have shown bullish consumption of the previous down down-going candle, and that's why we're going to continue growing. So that's why we have opened buy position here. Perfectly done, guys. We have around $6,400. Now let's continue. Let's check USD currency pair. What can we find here? So first of all, let's invest $6,000 into upgoing position, into buy position. We have formed a double bottom pattern, after which we will highly likely start growing and growing significantly. That's why we have invested $6,000 here. Perfectly done, guys. We have around $11,600. Oh shit, that's so fucking crazy. Oh my god, oh my goodness, oh shit. So fine, now let's find the next trade. I think it will be the last one for today. Let's open USD BRL currency pair. What can we find here? Oh no, Euro Audi. Let's choose it. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's open buy position. As you can see, Stochastic was oversold. That's why now we will find the best entry point for the start of the growth. And of course, we're observing several bullish hammers, candle patterns, which are telling us the same shit. That price will highly likely start growing. So let's check this. We have invested once again $6,000 here. Oh shit! Fuck, that's so fucking crazy! $16,000! Oh shit! Woo! That's crazy, guys! That's crazy! Around $70,000! Guys, if you want to do the same, be with me in my VIP channel. Subscribe to my private TG right now, you will find link in the description. So do this, don't waste your time, it's absolutely free. Thank you for your attention, my dear friends. Have a nice and profitable day, and bye bye!